respected faculty members, my dear students, my dear parents, I am very happy to say a few words about the e-magazine of Brook International School, Shastanakota. It is an endeavor which shows the COVID-19 brings us to a great challenge. We the Brookites take up the challenge in a positive way. And nothing can be prevented from us. Any situation, any pandemic, any way we are not blocked or we are not stopped. We are marching ahead. We are destined for great goals through the contributions, through the creative activities of the students, of the faculty members. Through these pages of Sarang e-magazine, we can see and understand how much talent our students, how much hard work our teachers have given for the students. I wish all success for this online class magazine of Brook International School. May God bless you, and this chance gives you to show what you are and what you can do for others. May God bless you.
Greetings to all Brookites. I am so happy to be a part of the first ever e-school magazine, maybe the first ever e-magazine of the entire Kerala schools, to be published by the artistic and creative Brookites. There is just a change in the letter or the spelling of Sarangi, that is, from I to E. But this change is a matter of thought. The thought is that it's not just I to E. Here, E denotes electronic medias. The humans has and always will overcome any crisis because of his intellect. This intellect has created a lot of options which has shown us how to cope up with any crisis. Here, with our talented Brookites, when the thought has come about school magazine or class magazine, their determination and creativity has arisen. I wish all the Brookites a happy reading through our e-magazine, and I pray for your success in this pioneer mission. Thanking you with love and prayers, Judy Thomas.
Wishing you all a happy day. Creativity and art never fades away. I congratulate all the students and faculty of Brook International School for your sincere effort to make Sarangi 2020 a great success. You can be proud, my dear children, that just like the strings of Sarangi, your work will vibrate and create music throughout centuries. Congratulations once again, and thank you all.
Hi all, I am Sheila Thomas, your class teacher. We are all happy that our e-magazine has become a great success. With the grace and blessings of the God Almighty, the e-magazine Sarang E 2020 has ended another fruitful year of its creativity life. Learning is the best of all wealth. It is easy to carry. Thieves cannot steal it. Neither fire nor water can destroy it. And far from decreasing, it increases in giving. I believe that It will be an asset to the academic community to release its creativity potential. With the blessings of God Almighty, we are sure that the school will continue to grow in quality and strength. I wish all success to your academic activities and creativity to the e-magazine. May God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
മണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാമണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാളച്ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ പറവായാ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാമണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് തിരുവാമണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
Hello everybody, I'm Nara Afra from class 5th A. Today I'm going to sing the song Let It Go from Frozen. So let's begin. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. But now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limit.